Okay, now we will open this very premium, very special Charizard Super Premium Collection Box. Thank you very much for Toy Kingdom. Joke lang. Hindi lang pinagalat ko dito. Hindi ako free influencer or endorser. This was very much bought and paid for with the unique permission of the Commander-in-Chief. Maraming salamat po Izan for allowing me to get this super goody. So natin na natin kung anong laman niya. First of all, the box. It's this big. Look at my head. Yan, siya kalaki. Tingnan natin kung anong laman niya. Shall we? Aha! Alright, figured it out. So we open this flap sa likod. You pull another flap and voila! Yan, it opens up. So let's see what it is. Una, may box sa likod na puti. So sa box, wala pa naman na iba. Pulling out the main Charizard figure. As you can see, ta-da! May Charizard EX. Ta-da! So, babangon natin yan. Sa gilid, meron siguro Charmander and Charmeleon along with other packs na bubuksan natin na sana big time ang laman na packs. The other side, ayun pala si Charmander along with also other packs. Side, that's it in the box. So again, we have Charmander and some packs. We're gonna open that later. Ito naman si Charmeleon and some packs. We're gonna order that later. Open that later. Order pa. Tama na mag-order pa. Pag-date na ako ng asawa. And Charizard himself. Tatabi natin yan. Kina-Iron Man. Kina-Gundam. Kina-Cloud and set for dun sa collection natin later on. We'll add that up. So yeah, that's it.